we have a circle, and within the circle there is a triangle with its 3 sides given: 10, 11, 9. The question goes, calculate the radius of the circle. This is the center of the circle. For us to calculate the radius of this circle, we are going to start by indicating the radius of the circle. From the center of the circle to the circumference, to this vertex of the triangle, it is the radius. We denote it by making use of the letter R. And from the center to this other vertex gives the radius of the circle, which is R. By making good use of our knowledge on circles, if this angle is theta, which is obtained at the circumference of this circle by this arc, then this angle at the center will be 2 times the angle theta. That is, here we have 2 theta as such. By making use of the cosine rule, it is easy for us to find the angle theta. Let's find the angle theta using the cosine rule, this is the side which is opposite the angle theta. 11 squared will be equal to 9 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 9 times 10 cos theta, the angle between the two sides. Next, we have to proceed with the simplification. 11 squared gives us 121 is equal to 9 squared, which is 81, plus 10 squared, which is 100, minus 9 times 10 gives us 90. 90 times 2 gives us 180 cos theta. We are looking for theta. What we are going to do is we are going to transfer 180 cos theta to the left so that it becomes positive. 180 cos theta will be equal to 81 plus 100 gives us 181. We are going to transfer 121 to the right. It becomes negative minus 121. This will give us 180 cos theta to be equal to 181 minus 121 gives us 60. Next, we have to divide all through by 180. 180 cos theta divided by 180 is equal to 60 divided by 180. 180 will strike off 180. This will imply that cos theta will be equal to, we can simplify 60 over 180, and this will give us 1/3. This will imply that theta, we are going to take the inverse trigonometric ratio. Theta will be equal to the cos inverse of 1/3. Then theta will be equal to 70.5 degrees to 1 decimal place. This will be the angle theta. Now, knowing the angle theta, we need to find the angle 2 theta, because this is another triangle with the 3 sides being r, the radius, and the opposite side to the angle 2 theta, 11. We are going to apply the cosine rule to find the radius of this circle. So we need the angle 2 theta. 2 theta will simply be equal to 2 times 70.5 5. And this will simply be equal to 141 degrees. Knowing this, we can proceed now to find the radius of the circle by making use of the cosine rule again, using cosine rule, it is easy to find r, the radius of the circle, i.e. that is the side which is opposite the angle 2 theta is 11. We are going to take 11 squared is equal to r squared plus r squared minus 2 times r cos the angle 2 theta, because the angle 2 theta is in between the two radii of circle. 11 squared gives us 121 is equal to r squared plus r squared gives us 2r squared minus 2 times r gives us 2r squared cos 2 theta is 141 degrees. This will give us 121 to be equal to, can factor out 2r squared times 1 minus cos 141 degrees. It gives us negative 0.8 to 1 decimal place. This will give us 121 to be equal to 2r squared times 1 minus negative 0.8. Negative becomes positive, gives 1.8. 121 will be equal to 2r squared times 1.8. It gives us 3.6 r squared. Next step, we are going to divide all through by 3.6. Make r squared the subject of formula. 3.6 r squared divided by 3.6 is equal to 121 divided by 3.6. This will imply that r squared 3.6 will strike 3.6 will be equal to, we have to divide 121 by 3.6, and this will give us 33.6 to 1 decimal place. Then if we take square root on both sides, since we need r, the square root of r squared will be equal to the square root of 33.6. This will imply that this and this will strike off. R will be equal to 5.8 units. The units here stands for centimeters, meters, kilometers. It depends on the unit in which the dimensions of the triangle were given. So we conclude, therefore, the radius of the circle is r equal to 5.8 units. We underline the answer. We are done with the solution of the question. This is the question. If in case you have any worries or any doubts on what we have just treated, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.